Hello everyone, myself Divya Chaudhary. I am an assistant professor in Delhi Teachers Training College, which is affiliated from GGS University. Today we will discuss about teaching of mathematics. In teaching of mathematics, we will discuss about the need and importance of mathematics at secondary stage. Mathematics is the gate and key of the sciences. Neglect of mathematics works injury to all knowledge, since he who is ignorant of it cannot know the other sciences or the things of the world, and what is worse, men who are thus ignorant are unable to perceive their own ignorance and so do not seek a remedy. This statement is given by Roger Bacon. Mathematics is very important subject. Therefore, before imparting and transmitting its knowledge, it is very important to understand that what is mathematics, why its knowledge is given, and what is its nature. Some define mathematics as a science of calculation, some as a science of space and numbers, and some as a science of measurement, magnitude, and direction. In fact, the meaning of the word mathematics is the science in which calculations are prime. The importance of mathematics was realized in the earlier days also. Then the aim of education was teaching 3 R's, that is reading, writing and arithmetic. Thus it had an important position even in the earlier school curriculum also. Nature of mathematics. What is mathematics and how does it grow are the basic questions which the student of mathematics must understand. In school, those subjects which are included in the curriculum must have certain aims and objectives on the basis of which its nature is decided. It is not necessary that all the subjects have same nature. Mathematics has its unique nature, thus on the basis of which we can compare it with other subjects. We can understand the nature of mathematics of following basis. Like mathematics is a science of space, number, magnitude and measurement. It has its own language. Language consists mathematical terms, mathematical concepts, formula, theories, principles and signs, etc. Mathematics is systematized, organized and exact branch of science. Mathematics involves conversation of abstract concepts, concrete form. Mathematics is the science of the logical reasoning. Mathematics helps in developing scientific attitude among children. It develops the ability of induction, deduction and generalization. It develops self-confidence in the children. Thus, on the basis of our points, we can understand the nature of mathematics and draw conclusion that the structure of mathematics in school subjects. That is why its study is essential in school education. Study of mathematics is constituent of full knowledge. It is quite necessary for the all-round development of the child. The modern science and technology stress the importance of mathematics in the school curriculum. Mathematics is the mother of all sciences. In the absence of mathematics, science cannot progress. It is due to the contribution of mathematics man has moved even to the moon. It is a mother discipline which forms a major part of human life. It is quite essential even for a layman and shopkeeper. Hence, it occupies a strategic position in school curriculum. Values of mathematics teaching. Values are regarded as desirable, important and its importance in high esteem by the people who live in a particular society. Thus, values give meaning and strength to a person's characters by occupying a central place in his life. Values are the guiding principle of life which are conducive to all-round development. Therefore, values reflect one's personal attitudes, judgment. Here are some values which are related to mathematics teaching, like intellectual value, moral value, utilitarian value or practical value, disciplinary value, social value, cultural value, aesthetic value, vocational value, psychological value, value related to scientific attitude and international value. There are some keywords which comes under these values, like in intellectual values, observation, memory, concentration, discovery, self-reliance, hard work. In utilitarian value or practical value, measurement, numbering, market, daily routine, expenditure. In moral values, there are some keywords like cleanliness, dutifulness, honesty, punctuality, truthfulness, patience, etc. In social values, the keywords are justice, hafti, competition, symmetry, fair, play, etc. In disciplinary value, the keywords are judgment, reasoning, thinking power, discipline, etc. Psychological value, self-assertion, satisfaction comes under this. Self-dependence, maintain living standard comes under the vocational value. In cultural value, the keywords are changes way of living, overcome difficulties, progress in various occupation. In international values, progress, discovery. Values related to scientific attitude, the keywords are truthfulness, thinking, verification, etc. In aesthetic value, beauty, entertainment, music comes under the aesthetic value. If mathematics is not given an important place in the curriculum, then student would not get any opportunity for mental training, and in the absence of which their intellectual development might be affected. For gaining the knowledge of mathematics, know in power is required, which is separate from ability of study of other subjects. Training and reasoning, thinking, discipline, self-confidence, emotions are developed in students by mathematics. Through mathematics, child learns to gain knowledge systematically. It is needed either forwardly or adversely for studying almost all the subjects, because it is considered as the basis of science in each and every art. Reasons for keeping mathematics in secondary education, or why mathematics is important in secondary education. These are the following points, such as mathematics is the basis of all sciences. Mathematics is related to human life. It generates logical attitude. It provides a definite way of thinking. It is an exact science. It provides opportunity to develop abilities of child. It helps in character formation as well as in morality. It develops the characteristics of discipline. The language of mathematics is universal. Mathematics is the study of seeds and structure. Generally, mathematics have basically three structures, like the algebraic structure, the order structure, and the topological structure. In algebraic structure, we study operations of addition, multiplication, generalization, etc. In order structure, includes concepts like greater than or less than or equal to, or in topological structure, it includes different concepts like limits, neighborhood, or nearness, etc. So, on the basis of these discussions or these taught, we can conclude that mathematics is only subject whose knowledge is needed for whole life. It can be possible only when every child will study mathematics as a compulsory subject up to 10th standard. Mathematics occupy a prominent place in men's life, from an engineer to technician or labor to finance minister and other businessmen. All needed the help of mathematics according to their requirements. The knowledge of this subject is indispensable, and it is bound to grow as need grows. A mathematical approach is essential for any progress. If anybody wants to get success in his life, he must have resource to mathematics. Thus, mathematics should be placed in higher level even though it is required for earning. So these are some points which I discussed, why mathematics is important in secondary stage, or why mathematics should be important or should be taken as important subject in secondary school curriculum. So that's it. Thank you so much.